It's another epic unboxing! Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, selling you the best bullion bars and coins, shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. I had a customer the other day who said, Joe, I want more vibrato. So I gave them more vibrato!
There you go.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, cool.
Cool, what are we doing?
We're doing an unboxing.
Okay, of what?
Actually, I have to be honest, I'm not 100% sure what's in here.
When do we ever know, really?
Well, usually I've got a bit of a vague idea, but this time I don't.
Okay. I think you said you might have been from the States.
Yeah, it is, but I have a feeling there's some European stuff in it via the States. But we shall find out momentarily.
All right. They were heavy. That's light. That's going to be silver of some kind. That's going to be, well, let's find out.
Could be.
All right.
So the big question is, which knife do we use?
I think the more elegant one. Yeah. The one that involves less hand movement by you.
Gee, this one is heavy, isn't it?
Yeah. How was last week?
If you're noticing a slight lack of energy in the video, it's because Ruben and I are still recovering from last week.
Yeah, I'm making up for it by giving you extra vibrato.
It was intense, and that's putting it politely.
Mm-hmm. It was intense. We're talking about just last week. We had Diwali on the Tuesday. Well, Diwali of all that week, but in particular, we were open for the public holiday, which I think we were one of, if not possibly the only.
Yes.
Bullion dealer open for Dunteras. Don't know why the rest didn't open.
No.
You know, we wanted to make sure that we were serving the Indian community, and so we opened on that day, and it was ridiculously busy.
It was insanity.
The queue was out the door, round the corner, up the hallway, the whole kit and caboodle.
But even, well, yesterday to us, I'm not sure which day this video is going to come out actually, yes, even yesterday, which was actually Diwali, it was the New Year.
Right.
It was still pretty intense yesterday.
Oh, right.
Which, I mean, we sound like we're complaining. We're absolutely not complaining about it. We're just...
yeah.
Yum. I'd forgotten about these.
Ooh, stackers.
Stacker bars in the 10 ounce.
Scottsdale stacker bars.
Yes, they are,
so these came from Scottsdale in Arizona. The Scottsdale Mint.
I don't know if I can get one out in a hurry. Oh, that became shop stock.
Shop stock.
So they've got the little piece of plastic that you get on your mobile phones that you whoosh off.
I am so happy. This is the first time that we have gotten we've gotten Scottsdale 10 ounce stackers in as a proper product. Not from buying back from a customer or anything like that.
And why do we call them stackers?
Oh, let's find out.
Because they're indented on the base there, and they lock into each other.
Correct.
And so they, you can't just buy one. It doesn't have the effect if you just buy one.
Definitely can't buy one.
So you've got to buy more than one. I had someone buy one of the 100 ounce, and I know 100 ounce is a lot of money, it's $3,500 sort of thing, but I had someone buy a single 100 ounce stacker the other day. And
That's the point.
I thought, yeah.
Well, the point is so they save up and then buy another one, and that's their goal, and then they get the satisfaction of the nice little tunk when they click in together.
So we've got a box of those in.
Scottsdale stacker bars in the 10 ounce size.
I'm
Fantastic.
not sure that this isn't another box of them, but let's open it to find out.
Yeah, maybe it's a different size.
Actually. You've been reading my invoices.
I have not been. I don't want to read your invoices, mate.
Yeah.
I don't need that headache. Let's go. We got it going on here at Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au.
You're stepping back, mate.
What was that, sorry?
I said, you're stepping back.
Stepping back. Absolutely. I told you, when you and a knife are involved, I'm got the telephoto lens going on. All right, so obviously more Scottsdale.
So if we advertise for a position, we need to advertise for someone who has working in dangerous areas.
Can we advertise for a new CEO who actually knows how to wield a knife properly? That'd be good.
I love unboxing these Scottsdale
I do,
boxes.
really. Yeah, the boxes are awesome. Oh! Are these... Could these be reserve rounds?
No.
No? What do you mean no?
I mean, no, they're not reserve rounds.
Oh, okay.
These should have had their own unboxing.
Oh no, but that's okay. What are we looking at here?
Congo silverbacks.
Silverbacks?
Yeah.
I have not even heard of these. This is very cool. Yeah, you keep it still and I'll get the light going.
So it's the silverback gorilla.
Oh, that is fantastic. From the Republic of Congo. Okay, and is it an actual denomination? Wow. So this is a legal tender coin?
It is.
That is fantastic.
From the Congo.
That is amazing. Oh, mate, I think we're so close up on this. We may not possibly need B-roll on this one. That is just beautiful. Look at that. And made by Scottsdale Mint for Republic of Congo.
Yeah. So a lot of the Congo is not a small country, but a lot of the smaller countries actually export their name, if you like, for use on currency. So we've all seen the Tuvalus and the likes of that. And it's a major revenue source for them. And that is a major revenue source for the Congo.
Fantastic.
Scottsdale are one of the companies. I'm not sure if they own the rights to the Congo or not, but they certainly are one of the ones that produce the Congo coins. And then, X amount, I don't know what the royalty is, but there's a royalty that goes back to the Congo people.
What a great way to raise revenue.
Yeah, it is, actually.
Yeah.
It's just like, we've seen the Simpsons coins and the Star Wars coins where, the revenue goes back to the films.
Yep.
So it's just an extension of that. The revenue is actually going back, some of the revenue, the royalty, is going back to the country of origin.
That's fantastic. All right, so Scottsdale Stacker Bars, Scottsdale made Republic of Congo silverbacks.
Yeah.
Fantastic. They'll all be available on the website when you're watching this video. Assuming you're watching this pretty soon after we release the video.
Like that subtle change of knives.
I didn't even see that actually. Wow. Okie dokes. We've got more. It's probably going to be Scottsdale, do you think?
I think so. I think that's the whole lot is. But this is gold. So this is some ones that we've had in before, and from memory, it's a couple of newbies as well.
Okay.
So
I wish I had have sung an epic Scottsdale unboxing, but I didn't know beforehand.
Should get Scottsdale to sponsor your voice, mate.
They really should. Who wouldn't want to sponsor my voice?
Exactly.
Come on.
Who wouldn't?
All right, let's take a look-see.
Now, these things, I have to apologise for anyone who bought the hammered gold tombstones.
Yep.
Because due to a mix-up internally here, some people didn't actually receive them. So if you were one of those, don't be shy, send us an email and we'll get them out. I think I've cleaned up most of them, but I know there's one or two that still haven't received their hammered gold bag out of that. And if you're part of the new batch of ones that buy from these, make sure they turn up with the bag, and if they don't, send us a politogram.
Scream and holler. A politogram.
We'll apologise and send it straight back out. Sure. So that was just, like I said, a miscommunication on our end.
Yep, fair enough.
That one, I don't even know how to open this box. I can't see where the slice and dice is.
Just slash into it like you normally would.
You make me sound like a butcher. And all the butchers out there are going, don't handle a knife like a butcher.
They know how to handle knives.
Yeah, there's all sorts in this one.
Oh, cool.
So let's pull the whole lot out.
Very carefully packaged by Scottsdale Mint.
Yeah.
They do a really good job.
They do. A little bit too much of a good job sometimes.
Yeah, because
it's a pain to get into.
For the purpose of unboxing videos.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
So these will be the serialised Scottsdale 1 ounce casties.
Oh yeah.
So in a very similar vein to the hang on, I've got that upside down, haven't I? In a very similar vein to the Perth Mint, but these ones just a little bit classier.
And we've had them before.
We have.
Yeah.
You got your serial number on the back there.
I like you leave that. There we go. I like how they've done. How do I explain it? So,
well, in English would be a good start.
Yeah, that would be a good one. How have they put the writing on the back? How have they? Is it etched in?
I think it's etched in.
Is it lasered in? I can't really tell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'd be a laser
But I
etch.
like how it stands out.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah. And they're
Cool. That was the
serialised,
technical term.
which some people don't like. But I'm one of the ones that actually don't mind a bit of a serialisation on there.
Why not?
Why don't I like it, or why
No,
do I like it?
why not? I mean, as in, why not? May as well.
Yeah, well, some people are saying, well, I don't want people to be able to tell the difference one from another.
Like the individual, I don't want to be individually,
Yeah.
this person has X bar or whatever.
Yeah, which I can understand what they're saying, but I like it. So these are the Tombstone Rounds.
Okay, they're back.
They're back,
They were
badder and meaner than ever.
They were really popular.
I don't know if the camera will pick it up. The best way to think of them is a flattened golf ball. They have the golf ball pimpling all around it on a very flat disc.
Absolutely.
And over the page.
Yep. Yeah, fantastic. Made by Scottsdale, 1 troy ounce, 9999 gold. Yeah, they're really cool.
They are.
And they do come with the baggies.
When we remember to send the baggies out.
All right, fantastic. So tombstones and the serialized Scottsdale lion bars.
Now these must be for that bag, so I'll leave them for a second. Now these were incredibly popular, and I suspect with some of it would have been a lead into Diwali, and some of it would have been possibly people getting ready for Christmas and that type of thing. So these are, now correct me Joe, these are 1/100th of an ounce.
Okay, I will correct you if you're wrong, but I don't think you're wrong.
Yeah, so they're 0.3 of a gram of gold.
Yep.
So you can't think of them in terms, well, I mean you can. You've got to move away from thinking of them in terms of stacking. You know, this is a third of an ounce, 100th of an ounce, so I shouldn't pay much over premium over what I'm paying for, a 1 ounce bar sort of thing, divided down by 100, because you will be rapidly disappointed. Like I said, they're 0.3 of a gram, which isn't a great deal. And I think the 1 gram bars have a high premium. These are almost the same price as a 1 gram bar from the Perth Mint.
Yep.
But they're
100th of an ounce.
a third of a size.
Yeah, exactly.
So, and they
Is
come
that the
in
right
these.
way around?
Well,
It is
that's
not.
upside down, Miss
There we
Jane.
go. Yes.
Um,
So you stay there, and there we go. Fantastic.
but they make great presents, and they're good for stacking. We always talk about the fractionals, and we've got a video on fractionals and when you should stack them. But they're great as presents.
yes.
You know, you can introduce people to gold. They're a bit flash because people go, "Wow, I just got given gold." Go to the other side, which is just blank.
Yep. Just blank on the other side. Just trying to get a good focus there.
Okay.
Fantastic. We actually did show these in more detail in a previous video. I think we got B-roll on them in a previous video, so I can even link above to that right now if you want to see them in closer detail.
Yeah.
So yeah, and look, these are the well, you buy them for many reasons. Gifts, absolutely gifts for the good old SHTF, potential, all that sort of stuff, as that kind of play.
Yeah.
As well. Ultra fractionalized gold.
Very easy to carry a bit of gold around with you wherever you're going, and very transferable.
Very. Imagine just having one in your pocket. Don't just have one in your pocket. That's
Have one fairly securely in your pocket if you're going to do that. They really are. They are very close to a foil. So they'd be very easy to bend. They'd be very easy to lose. I'm always worried in the store here that someone's going to drop one on the floor, and most of us wear steel cap boots because we're dealing with heavy metals at different times. So if I trod on one of those, it'd just disappear into the imprint of my boot, and we'd never find it again. So be very careful if you own them, and keep them in a fairly large plastic bag would be my suggestion, or a capsule type thing.
Yep. Last package is this?
Last package in this bunch.
Fantastic.
So love these things.
These things. How do you know what these things are? Have we had them before?
Yes, we have.
Oh, okay. We had them last time. Oh, cool, yes. I love these. Yeah, great packaging.
Yeah.
Scottsdale Mint Lion 1 ounce minted gold bar. Yep, beautiful. And great security packaging.
Yeah, great security packaging. They come with a QR code, which you can scan, and I think I think Ruben scanned that and had a look at all the information on it fairly recently. We were talking about it. It's a proprietary technology that Scottsdale has, and it's really good. And they're really well presented. You can see the embossing of their lion in the background.
Yep.
And it just looks fantastic.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. When you turn it over, I've forgotten the holographic kind of, when you see on the line there on the right-hand side, when it moves through the light, that's just really, really beautiful. And these, we don't have a lot of them. They didn't last long last time we got them in.
No, they didn't at all.
Maybe we charged so less of a premium that we should jack it up next time. No?
It's not going to happen, mate. We don't do that.
Fair enough.
So, and they come in, I'm not going to open it now because I'm in gloves and I'll probably bend them doing it accidentally, but they come in a little paper pouch.
That's right.
It's just a nice little finish.
Yep.
To them. So
cool.
That's the Scottsdale unboxing, which is what we should have called that, I think.
Well, that will be the title. So an epic Scottsdale unboxing, something like that. Head over to bullionnow.com.au, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. All of this is available for sale now for as long as it's available, I guess. Yeah. Did you like that?
It's there while it is, and it's not when it's not.
Correct. All right. As always, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.